Hello student, today we are going to see NCERT example problem 3.1. It is from class 12 physics. Okay, it is NCERT example problem from third chapter. Okay, if you want all the problem you can go and see in my playlist. Okay, first we will see what is the question is given. R resistance from the potentiometer. Okay, so it is a potentiometer diagram. Okay, so R naught resistance, exactly the wire is connected in between. Okay, exactly the wire is connected in between the center. Okay, this side is R naught by 2 and this side is R naught by 2. Okay, this R naught is parallel with R. Okay, they asked what is the voltage across, R resistance. So they want what is the voltage across R resistance. So that means they want voltage across here. So this voltage I am taken as a V1 voltage. Okay, this voltage I am taken as V1 voltage. This voltage I am taken as V2 voltage. Okay. Now first this two you should find what is the total resistance because it's a parallel. Okay. So R naught by 2 then here we have R. This first I am going to find. This 2 is in parallel. 1 by Rp is equal to R1 is R naught by 2 plus 1 divided by R. Okay. Now 2 by R naught plus 1 by R is equal to 1 by Rp. Rp is going to be R1. This total resistance I am taken as a R1. So 1 by R1 is equal to 2R plus R naught divided by R naught into R. So what is R1? Resistance in parallel, 2 times of R plus R naught by R naught into R. So I got what is this 2 resistance, this 2 solution. Okay, then here we have R naught by 2 extra, R naught by 2 extra. Okay, so now total resistance of the circuit, the total together it's going to be R1 plus R naught by 2 is there, R naught by 2 is there. Okay, now total resistance of the circuit R1 plus R naught by 2. So if you are taken LCM, 2 times of R1 plus R naught, it's going to be R total. Now what I can find as what is V total, I total. I total is equal to V total divided by R total. V total, the total voltage in the circuit is going to be V. What is R total? 2 times of R1 plus R naught divided by 2. Denominator directly will go into the numerator. So current flowing in the circuit 2 times of V divided by 2 R1 plus R naught. Like this will have current flowing in the circuit. Okay, now modified circuit I am drawing. See here, it is a voltage we applied, modified circuit. Okay, this is going to be R1 and this going to be R naught by 2, R naught by 2. Current is flowing I, current is flowing I, current is flowing I, current is flowing I. If you want what is a total voltage across here, V1 voltage. V1 voltage is equal to, so V1 is equal to I R1, I times of R1. So voltage across this one in parallel is constant only. They asked what is the voltage across R. Okay, so in parallel voltage is constant. If you are finding what is V1, the same voltage will be for R also. V1 is equal to I we found already. What is I? 2 times of V divided by 2 times of V divided by 2 R1 plus R naught. Okay. What is R1? R1 also we have already. R1 also we have. So 2 times of V divided by 2. What is R1? I am going to substitute. Okay, R1 is R naught into R divided by 2R plus R naught. Okay, that is called R1. Before we found into R naught. Okay, into here also R1 I am substituting. R naught into R divided by 2R plus R naught. Okay, now we should do the LCM. So 2V divided by 2 times of R naught R, this I am taken common LCM, plus R naught times of 2R plus R naught, okay, divided by 2R plus R naught into here R naught R divided by 2R plus R naught. Okay, this get cancelled because it is in a denominator. Okay, R naught you can take it common outside. 2V R naught R, it's numerator. R naught you can take it common outside. 2R plus R naught. Okay, now R naught get cancelled. Finally the voltage across R resistance is going to be 2VR divided by 2R will have 4R plus R naught. Okay, this is the voltage across the R resistance. Okay, thank you for watching my channel. If you like my channel, please subscribe. Thank you everyone.